Go to What is my IP address to check your IP address. Go to the settings of your tablet or smartphone. Click on your Wi-Fi connection and click on Modify Network. On the Proxy tab, click Manual Mode. Go to Proxy Link Pro. Click on Proxy Generator. Choose a location. In Protocol, choose HTTP. Click on Generate Copies, the information generated to authenticate the proxy. Click on Save, returns to What is my IP address? Copy-paste the logins generated by Proxy Link Pro. Your proxy is configured.